Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Verify your Series 3 model number and that Apple actually supports Watchos 9 for that device. Once done, update the paired iPhone to the latest iOS and sign into the same Apple ID so the process is seamless. Next, make a complete iCloud backup of both iPhone and Watch. This protects your data if the upgrade fails. Finally, plug both devices into power and ensure strong Wi-Fi. These basics let the upgrade begin without interruptions. Open the Watch app on your iPhone and go straight to General, then Software Update. This is where the new Watch OS appears once available. Tap Download, then keep the Apple Watch on its charger and the iPhone within Bluetooth range. This maintains communication during transfer. While the update downloads, close heavy apps on the iPhone and disable low power mode so processes run fast. When the download completes, confirm terms and start installation. This hands the work to the devices while you monitor progress. Tap Install and let the Apple Watch restart. Do not force restart or remove it from the charger mid-install because that risks corruption. After the Watch reboots, open the Watch app to verify the Watch OS version and check that apps and complications resumed normally. If the update stalls or fails, restart both devices, ensure connectivity, then retry the installation. As a final troubleshooting step, unpair and repair the watch to restore from the backup you made. This clears persistent installation errors and returns you to a clean state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.